Hello guys, I'm gonna make my baby snack. Blend some strawberry and banana. And then magawa pa ako na sa kanya ng cinnamon roll. Ilagay ko yan siya sa oven. Maganda yan guys. Ang sarap-sarap talaga. Yung very smooth. Tapos andyan na po. Nilagyan po ni mommy ng gatas para makagawa kami ng smoothie for her snack. She just woke up. And here, mommy gonna make her snack na para na-snack among palangga. And finally, she really love it. Bless you, anak. And now, she said, I want more, mommy. So, I gave her a little because I need to drink mine too. No, so, po si anak ko. Okay, ihan naman po mga yung tanan. Anak ko, my goodness. And finally, the cinnamon roll is here. Na napagod yan, guys. So, kasi yan, parang yung preheat ko sa ubin. Yung ubin namin kay malakas talaga yung init niya pag ibutang mo, ilagay mo sa high. Tapos yan na po, nilagyan ko po ng yung orange man yung flavor. Hala, ang sarap-sarap talaga. Oh, tingnan niyo, nakaubos talaga snack ng 3. Oh, tingnan mo yan ang reaction niya. Hello.
Hello, Mama Ninin. How are you doing? Where's one?
Try. Try.
What?
Try. Is that good? Try it. Look it. Is that good?
It's not coffee.
Is that good? You like it?
Kumusta?
You like it? You like it?
This animal. Bye.
Good? That good? No? Good?
I'm a big dog.
Guys, thank you for watching. Na-enjoy ko talaga yung pag-aalaga ng anak ko.